welcome to another vlog. So vlogs are back, yes. I am actually on the way to Walmart because I need to pick up some stuff. I spent all day today just cleaning my apartment, like deep cleaning, because lately there's just been like a lot of fucking insects just in my apartment, and it's just, do I see one? Oh my god, I legit see a fucking worm right now. There they are. So if you guys can tell me what this little fucking worm is, please let me know. Like I said, they are invading my whole apartment complex, and they are definitely coming from the outside. No, Penny, because like I said, every time I go outside, they are all over the hallways, and they're just invading every fucking apartment possible. Let's just throw it out there. I just decided to just clean and kind of spray some poisonous shit all over my apartment too. So like the bottom of my doors are not closed all the way, so you can like see outside. So I believe they're coming from there, but I just don't know how to get rid of them. Like they come in through there, then I have like 2, then 4, then 6. So I just decided to clean my whole place. And this is another reason why I just hate living on the first floor, because you get like all types of insects and whatnot, and yeah, we're just not having that, but whatever. We're just gonna have to fucking deal with it. So this is what I'm wearing to Walmart. I'm just wearing this jacket that I got from Ross, some gray tights, and some shoes. I mean, super fucking ratchet, but guess what? I don't give a shit. Here goes another little fucker. By the way, guys, I wanted to show you all my nails. These are press-on nails, and they're so freaking gorge. I legit feel like I will never go to a nail salon again. These are the way to go, and they're only $7. Like, hello, you are winning. Oh my god, guys, here we go, Walmart. First things first is I want to get a new area rug for my vanity. I have a black one. I think this is the one that I have. But now I want a gray one so that it can like match my aesthetic a little bit more. I wish it was darker, but we're grabbing this one. That's my rug right there that I bought, the new one. It's so freaking bomb. So if you guys are looking for the rug that I have, my new rug, it's at Walmart and it is $80. Yeah, this one will too. Am I like the only one that grabs like the one in the very back? Just in case the few first ones are damaged, I just want to get a good one. Guys, they do have a dark gray right here. Should I get this one or this one? This one or that one? Oh, fuck, I don't know. No, I think I'm gonna go with this one. It matches a little bit more. Next, I need a throw blanket. Gray one specifically. They only have dark gray though. How much is this? $13.46. I guess it will work. I guess count me in. They have the Virgin Mary throws. They're so freaking cute. I might even take one. Yeah, let's take it. I also need some drawer organizers, so I think I'm gonna pick a couple of these up. These will fit in my drawer because I don't have any like cool things to separate my forks and my spoons, so I think I'll take some of these. Hey beauty babes, so welcome to another day in the vlog. I just didn't finish yesterday's vlog because I'm just a fucking horrible vlogger. But anyway, I actually just woke up from a nap. I literally worked 7 to like 3:30ish, and I got home like at 4:30 because there was a lot of fucking traffic, of course, Houston. And then I just got home and I knocked out, and it is about to be 10 p.m. and I just woke up. I legit hibernated for a couple of hours, so it's not really a nap. I really fell asleep. So I got an email saying that I had a lot of packages, and I legit go to the leasing office and I only had one. I only had one package. The other ones were in my mailbox, so I only have 3 in total. One was in the leasing office and the other 2 were in my mailbox. So By the way, I look so ratchet. I'm wearing like this big old freaking t-shirt that I hauled in my most recent haul. It's so freaking comfy. I just like threw it on because I just wanted like a big t-shirt to sleep on. And I just thought, I was like, I'm just gonna throw this on. I shouldn't have because I low-key wanted to wear it out, but who cares? I wanted to sleep comfy, okay? So let's open up some packages. First and foremost, we have this one. Oh my God, my freaking camera is dying. I need to hurry up. This one from Juno and Company. I do get a lot of mail from them since I'm on their PR list. And they sent me their new sponge. This is, I'm not sure what this is called. You're one of the first to say Juno Cloud. We fused together a groundbreaking latex-free formula. What? This is the Cloud Sponge. I really don't know what's so special about it, but it looks different. It's not like the blue sponges that they always send me. It's like whitish, like nude. So fucking cute. I mean, their sponges are already bomb as it is, so whatever. Then my next package here is from Bliss. I did not know I am actually on, it's crazy because I'm actually on their PR list as well. And the crazy thing about it, I was at Target the other day and I realized that Bliss legit has a Target line. I did not know they were that big. I'm so stupid, but I can't believe like I actually work with Bliss. And they're like a skincare. They're a skincare line at Target. And from what I can tell, it's very freaking popular. And I was wearing their masks the other day. I also wear their toner. And I also wear like this face wash. It's like a bubbly foam face wash. It's so fucking good. I honestly just didn't know that Target has a whole Bliss line in there. So I got 2 things from them. I'm guessing it's like their newest stuff coming out. First, I got this X Glotion Radiance Boosting Eye Cream with Vitamin C. Oh my God, I actually needed an eye cream so bad. So I'm so thankful that they sent me one. Then here I have the Super Rich Moisturizer for Dewy Radiant Skin. Their moisturizers are actually so good, guys. I use, I think it's in the Rose Gold collection. That one is so amazing. I guess this is their new X Glotion collection. But anyway, it is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and other cool stuff. It's vegan, of course. Then the most thing that I'm most excited about is this little package right here. I think I know what it is. So this company here actually reached out to me. They sell jewelry, by the way, and I was so excited because when I went to their website, their pieces were so bomb, so cute, and I've been looking for some of the stuff that they sent me. So, oh my God, it is! So this package is from Happiness Boutique, and they did send me 3 pieces. So I'm gonna show you guys what they are. Oh my God, packaging, so freaking cute. Look at this. Happiness Boutique. So here is the rose gold necklace, so cute. And then here is the other gold necklace right here. Isn't it so cute? I actually love the chain, so bomb. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm probably gonna wear this tomorrow. And these are the little gold earrings. So freaking cute. Those are all the 3 pieces. Again, I will link everything down below. Happiness Boutique, thank you so much for making this happen. I'm so excited to rock these. By the way, guys, this was my camera stand just now. How freaking ratchet. You guys see how like comfy these t-shirts are? And yeah. Don't I look so cute? Oh my God. Look at Penny over here, just being a little. Do you want to say hi to Mom? Oh, look, we match. We're wearing the same color. She always snaps with Mama. All the time. All the time. I need to go chop your nose up. Oh, my God. And have a girl's day. Right, Mamas? Right, pretty girl. Right, pretty girl. Who's that? So in case you guys didn't notice, I actually got a gray rug. I got rid of my black one. I just felt like, I don't know, I just needed some more light in here. So I got rid of the black one and I got this gray rug, which Penny loves, apparently. Hey guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. I am at Home Depot right now, just kind of resting. I am actually getting a sample of paint because I am going to paint my living room walls. I know, I know, I don't know how to fucking paint, but I'm just gonna try to like paint all the mess that I've done, because I have been trying to fill in my nail holes for the longest time, and apparently I feel like I need a paint touch-up. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do. Got my little tools to do all of that, and hopefully it comes out good, because if it doesn't, then I'm just gonna fuck up my apartment. I also got some bug spray, because you guys know I've been having a lot of fucking insects in my apartment, so I got this one and my little tools to start working with that. And I think I am also going to buy this. Why am I crooked? My cameraman obviously does not know how to fucking film. Anyway, I am also buying this fan here because I am trying to save money. I have came to the conclusion that I've just been wasting a lot of energy, and I am tired of my light bill coming out so expensive. So I'm gonna save up and just buy a fan, because I can't sleep without me being cold. By the way, I am in the bug spray section, but I also need this one. This is the one that I've been using to kill those worms in my apartment. So I'm gonna get this one. It's super, super cheap. It's only like $4. These earrings are actually so cute. These are the earrings that I just got. But I don't know why I feel like they make me look like a lesbian. They make me look like a little boy. Is it just me? Maybe. I kind of need to hurry up and go, because I need to go use the bathroom and it's not cute. And I feel like I'm about to fart, so I need to go. Would you like an e-receipt? We're back painting with Alex, episode 1. Okay, so I'm just gonna literally pour some of this on the plate. I think, okay, I poured way too much. Give me a towel! Now! Why am I doing this? Finished my Ratchet 101 wall. I mean, it looks pretty good. I think I just got like a tad bit wider than the actual wall, because my like wall is like a off-white type of color, but I did blend the ends, and I just went up to right here, just like the bottom of my AC. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is super dirty. Look, you guys see that? It is super freaking dirty around here, so I'm just gonna paint it because it's been bothering me for the longest time, so let's get to that. I legit have been trying to paint all last night. Today's actually the next morning. Hey beauty babes, welcome back to another day in the vlog. I legit, like, for real, I'm not even kidding, I legit fucked up my walls, like. Who gave me the idea that I was a painter? I actually have been spending the last couple of hours researching painting videos on YouTube to kind of see, you know, what I can do to fix it. So I think I'm just gonna fix it later. I was going to let my leasing office know about my painting job and that I needed to be redone. However, they are probably gonna take a long fucking time till they get someone down here and do it. So I'll rather just do it myself. I'm gonna try again. I really do think where I went wrong was the tools that I used. I wanna show you guys really quick what I mean by messing up. So the wall up there, I messed up. You probably can't even tell, but I need to redo the whole wall. So I did this wall right here, which turned out beautifully. It came out really good. That wall came out really good. The only thing is that the top of the wall, I went all the way up there and it just does not blend. So I need to fix that. And then the wall over here, where I tried to like patch up my stuff, right there, you guys see that big patch? Well, I painted over it and it just caused a big mess. And I don't know why, I also feel like I got the wrong finish. I think I'm gonna go with like a matte finish versus like the shiny finish that I originally got. But anyway, so I I know. I did leave it till the end of the video because I just figured it would be a lot more exciting. So I did choose 3 winners already. 3 of my winners will be winning a Louis Vuitton replica phone case and a replica wallet. Instead of just announcing them here, I'm just gonna go ahead and put them up on the screen. Congratulations to winner number 1. Congratulations to winner number 2. And last but not least, congratulations to winner number 3. Guys, congratulations again. If you did not win this giveaway, please do not get discouraged. I promise you a lot more will be coming your way, and I'm going to be doing a lot more like bigger giveaways. Please stay tuned. Don't go anywhere because I promise there's gonna be a lot more coming to my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this paint job thing, edit this video, put it up for you guys today, and I guess I will just see you guys in my next video. Same place here, so come back for the next one.